Last October, the CCJ ruled unanimously to dismiss the appeals filed by two brothers, Orwin and Cleon Hinds, against their conviction for the murder of Fiedtkou-Parris, who was gunned down at her lot 42 Robb Street, Georgetown residence on June 30, 2011. They were found guilty of the crime in 2015 following a trial before Demerara High Court Judge Navindra Singh, and each sentenced to 81 years behind bars. They then moved to the Court of Appeal to have their conviction and sentence quashed, contending that the trial judge committed several errors in law during the trial. The appellate court, however, reduced their sentence from 81 to 50 years. The brothers then moved to the CCJ to have the 50 years reduced. During the men's appeal hearing at the CCJ, their lawyer cast doubt on the identification evidence and the confession statements used to convict his clients, arguing that if these were to be excluded, their convictions would be rendered unsafe and therefore should be squashed. But the CCJ, led by President Justice Adrian Saunders, rejected all of the grounds of appeal against their convictions advanced by their lawyers, finding that they had no merit. Justice Saunders noted that the murder committed by the brothers fell into the class of the worst murders. The CCJ also ruled that the brothers will be considered eligible for parole after a period of 20 years, including time spent awaiting trial. It was reported that Fiedtkou-Parris was murdered as a result of a dispute over a property. According to reports, at around 7:45 hours on the day in question, two men went to the woman's Robb Street, Georgetown home and called out for her, shouting "Auntie." They were then directed up a flight of stairs, and when Fiedtkou-Parris emerged from her bedroom, one of the men pulled out a gun and shot her multiple times to her upper part of her body. The pensioner was rushed to the Georgetown Public Hospital Corporation, where she was pronounced dead on arrival. Reporter for AGP Nightly News, I am Tiana Cole.